All right, kids, here we go. What we're going to do, well, these are essential skills. This is essential skills number 7. I've got a bunch of them over here to try. There's a bunch more coming. All of these can be found at www.nkinfinity.com. There's always about 6 questions, about 6 or 8 questions on the Algebra 2 Common Core, Algebra 2 trig test that you can do strictly by just using your calculator, whether it be graphing or stowing in numbers and checking or trying the numbers or backwards. So all of these can be found at nkinfinity.com. Click on New York State Teachers and click on Review. And again, like I've said, if you've been watching these, on here I've got practice tests, I've got spiral reviews, and down here are the essential skills. Right now we are working on 7. We are working on essential skills number 7. So hopefully you're getting a lot out of these. If you like them, if you like them, hit the subscribe button. Let me know what you think, and share this with your friends. So here's how we're going to do these. We're going to start with the answers. Now this is not 0. That means empty set. That means there's no solution. So we're going to start with the answers. So we're going to use our calculator. And on the last video, I just stored random numbers. Now I'm going to store the answers. 24, Control var X, press enter. Never, ever, ever use the equals button. It's bad. So this one, I'm just going to type in the square root of x plus 1. I don't even know what I'm typing in. X plus 1 plus 5. And does that equal 0? Nope, that equals 10. How about negative 26? Negative 26, Control var X, enter. Non-real calculation, error, doesn't work. And let's try 0. 0, Control var X, enter, X, enter, hit the up arrow, and I get 6. So it doesn't equal 0. The answer is there is no solution. That is the empty set. You'll sometimes see it like this, empty set. Okay, there are no solutions. Let's try the next one. This is just this. Now I can rationalize this, or I can use my calculator, control division. The square root of 3 plus 5 over the square root of 3 minus 5. Now that's equal to that. Now I got to figure out which one matches that. I want the one with 9 minus 25. 9 minus 25 is negative 14. I want the one with negative 14. I don't know if any of these are the right answer. Well, these two are the same exact answers. I don't think these two are the same exact answers. I believe that this should be... this one should have a negative out front. This one should have a negative out front. I got lots of problems because these two are exactly the same too. This one shouldn't have a negative out front. Sorry about that, kids. Oh, wait, they're not exactly the same. So this one should have a negative out front. I believe that this is the right answer, but let's check this out. So negative, control division, 14 plus 5 square roots of 3 over 14. That's not going to be it either. Oh, gosh darn it. I don't think any of these are the right answers for some reason. I think they're all wrong. Well, let me do it the right way. I'm just going to do it the right way because I'm just curious. Square root of 3 plus 5, the square root of 3 plus 5. This is going to give me 3 minus 25. Oh, it's definitely going to be the one with the 11s on the bottom. 3 minus 25 on the bottom, that's negative 22. So I need a negative with an 11 out front. So it's going to be one of these two. The top is going to be a mess. So let's just try it. So let's remind ourselves what the original answer was. There's the original answer, and it's probably going to be, I'm going to guess 4. So negative control division 14 plus 5 square roots of 3 plus 5 square roots of 3 all over 11. Yes, there it is. Matches perfectly. There's the right answer. Choice 4. All right. So let's try these. I got to try a 2 and I got to try a 3. So I'm going to try the 3 first because if the 3 doesn't work, those both go. So I'll take 3. Control var x. And oh yeah, this is an interesting one. I'm glad I did this one. Control division 30 over, I know what's going to happen on this one, x squared minus 9 plus 1. Undefined. Okay. And 5 over, control division, 5 over x minus 3. Oh, undefined. Listen, kids, undefined does not equal undefined. I know they're the same letters. It just doesn't equal it. It means you can't do it. You're not allowed to do it. If you look at it, 3 is restricted to the domain. You can't have 3 in the domain. 3 doesn't make any sense at all. Undefined does not equal undefined. It doesn't work at all. Okay? Now you plug 2 in. 2 control var x. This is what you should see. You should see this, whatever that is, -5, and you should see that -5. 2 is the right answer. 1/3 to the x equals 2. Okay, let's try the answers. So 1/3 to these answers equals 2. Okay. Let's do 1/3 to the 0.834. So 1/3. Write it exact. Don't be lazy. 1/3 raised to the 0.834. Is that right? Does it equal 2? Nope. Let's try to the negative 0.834 since that's pretty close. 2.4, not quite. Looks like the negative's right. Let's do 631. Looks like the negative's going to get us the closer one. Ah, that one's pretty close. I'm going to guess the other one's not close at all. So that's the winner, negative 0.631. All right, which of the following is not in the domain? All right, let's try them. Let's plug in 3. So we do natural log of 3 minus 8. Undefined, error. And if I did the other ones, 10 minus 8. They would all end up with... They would all end up with some value. So the answer is choice 1. Choice 1 is the only one that's going to crash it. Okay. Now the way to do this one, by the way, is to do 3 squared to the 3x plus 1. You should know how to do these. 3 cubed to the x plus 2. And then set the exponents all equal to each other. But let's say you forgot how to do that. You just want to get the right answer. All right. Let's take 1. Control var x. We got to plug in what they say. And then we got to type in the left side. 9 raised to the 3x plus 1. Enter. Do not use the equal sign. 27. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. And you don't want it to not work and get the wrong answer. Nope, that's not it. Let's try 1/3. 1 divided by 3. Control var x. Press enter, hit the up arrow to this one, hit the up arrow to this one. Do they match? No. Let's try 1/2. 0.5. Control var x. Enter. 243. Nope. Looks like 4/3 is the right answer. 4 divided by 3. Control var x. Sometimes it's always the last one. There it is. 4/3, right answer. Product means multiplying. So you're not going to get away from not understanding that product means multiplying. But 3 plus the square root of 5 times 3 minus the square root of 3 minus the square root of 5. Enter. 4. Oh, the answer's 4. That was easy. And this one, so you got to try -3 and 7. Let's see which one works. Now, there's no way you're going to take the square root of anything and have it equal to negative. So -3 can't work. -3 can't work. So 7 is the only one that possibly can work. So let's see if 7 works. Control var x. And we're going to do control radical 24x plus 21. Does it equal 7? It equals 7. So the answer is 7. There's no way 3 is going to work. There you go, kids. That's essential skills number 7. Just simple tricks you can use to use your calculator to help you out, help you get these right.